Yo, what is happening, my fellow gearheads? It's me, Garrett Gearball135, and today I'm going to be reviewing another toy, and this is actually two toys, because they both came from the same set. And this is the first one. It is a 10th Doctor sonic screwdriver. It was also used by the 9th Doctor, and let's just say it's pretty stinking cool looking. Okay, we got this blue emitter right here. This nice looking area. Some pretty nice looking detailing right here. Sliding thing. A blue line. And little buttons. I'm not gonna press that one yet. And then it ends off like this. Ends off with a little piece that could be turned into a pen. Well, this thing also has some pretty cool features, like for example, it can extend, like every other sonic screwdriver, by doing this. If you didn't see that, do this. Pretty basic. Another thing about this is this little detail right here. Helix design inside of a little glass tube with a little ball on it. Cool. Okay, on to the sounds and lights and stuff. You press this to activate them. And it cycles through 4 sounds. I like the one that happens at the 4th one. There's also another Sonic that came with the set. And this one is called the Sonic Pen. I like it too. It's pretty cool. And do you know what this works as? An actual pen. See this? Right there. It's an actual pen. And this one looks a lot different than it looks in the show because, for example, this part isn't extended and the light is on this little rounded part at the end of it. But I like it. It's a perfectly black, thick, black pen. Very nice to hold in your hand. Very easy to get this out. And also I like how they did this. Has a little light right here. Okay, now on to the sound effects for this toy. Now, in order to activate it, we press this little button right here. See it? It's a pretty nice looking blue LED. It has a slight difference. There's also one thing that happens in the show where the 10th Doctor goes to this place and the person has a sonic pen. And he does this. You have a really nice sonic pen. Do you know what happens when you have two of the same type of sonic and you aim them together and use them at the same time? Well, I can't do it right now, but what happened was it made a giant sonic shockwave of deafening noise and stuff. It was pretty cool. Plus, this is pretty cool. Okay, see you all in the next one.